Your OneDrive files won't sync? Don't worry. This is one of the most common Windows problems, and there are 7 proven fixes you can try right now.
When OneDrive stops syncing, your files are no longer backed up to the cloud. You might see red X marks on your files, blue sync arrows that never finish, or error notifications from the OneDrive icon. Let's fix this step by step.
Fix number 1. Check your internet connection. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and verify you're connected. Run a quick speed test. OneDrive needs at least 1 megabit per second to sync properly. Fix number 2. Pause and resume syncing. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar, open Help and Settings, then select Pause Syncing. Wait 10 seconds, then resume. This often clears stuck files immediately.
Fix number 3. Restart OneDrive. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. Then relaunch OneDrive from your Start menu.
Fix number 4. Check your storage quota. Go to OneDrive.com and look at your storage. Free accounts only get 5 gigabytes. If you're over the limit, delete large files or consider upgrading your plan.
Fix number 5. Update OneDrive. Open the Microsoft Store, search for OneDrive, and check if there's an update available. Running an outdated version is a common cause of sync bugs.
Fix number 6. Unlink and relink your account. Open OneDrive settings, go to the Account tab, and click Unlink this PC. Don't worry, your files are safe. Then sign back in with your Microsoft account and choose which folders to sync.
Fix number 7. Reset OneDrive. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Paste this command and press Enter. OneDrive will reset all settings and perform a full resync. Your files will not be deleted.
So, why does OneDrive stop syncing in the first place? The most common causes are weak internet, full storage, files that are too large, locked files, outdated software, corrupted cache, VPN interference, and stale login credentials.
To prevent sync issues in the future, keep OneDrive updated. Monitor your storage quota. Use a stable internet connection. Avoid special characters in file names. Keep files under 250 gigabytes, and never skip Windows updates.
And that's it. 7 fixes for OneDrive not syncing. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.